Hi, I'm Frankie, and in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way you can set up RAG for your Azure AI agents. If you don't believe me, I'm right here in this page, and I've got file search set up. I've got references that were used to augment the generated response that's using RAG. I did it in just a couple minutes, and I'm going to show you now how you can do it too. I'm in the Microsoft Foundry portal. You can get to this by going to ai.azure.com. Within this project, let's create a new agent. We'll call this File Upload Agent. My agent's created. Let's give it some instructions. You're a helpful agent that only uses your file search and file upload tool. You never use your own knowledge, and you always give references to the information that you find and provide to the user. We'll save this. Now we'll go to Tools, add a new tool, and I'll choose File Search, add this tool, and now I can upload files that are going to be used for my agent to retrieve the information and augment its response based on these files. For reference, we're going to use these three JSON files: frequently asked questions, policy information, and recipes.json from my Frankie's Bakery fictional bakery company. Let's drag these files in. They'll all upload. I've seen this error before. It still works. Ignore it if you see it. I'll attach the files and we'll save this. Now let's give it a try. What is Frankie's Bakery's cookie options, and what is their freshness guarantee? It comes back, it gives a response, and it has several references with it. I can see the recipes.json reference, I can see the frequently asked questions, and the policy info. So it used all of the files that it retrieved when I asked it to prompt it with something, and it came back and augmented the response that it generated. That's RAG. It's using the file search, file upload feature, and now you can use it too. For your Azure AI agents, take advantage of this fastest way to use RAG. If you want to get access to the dataset that I used, you can find it in the Azure Innovation Station online community for free. There's a link to join it in the description. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. I answer every comment to help as many people as I can. And if this video was helpful for you, I'd appreciate if you liked the video and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. As always, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.